Hi guys, so today I'm going to be going over charged particles with you. Um, so I am recording this from home, so I do apologize if my cats jump up here. They don't leave me alone. So anyways, some background info. You have learned about the periodic table and valence electrons before. Remember, freshman year. I know it's been a while and I know a lot has changed since then. So I'm not holding you to anything, but maybe some of this is still there, just kind of buried under everything else. So just know that each column or group on the periodic table has an assigned number of valence electrons. And within each group, the elements have similar properties due to having the same number of valence electrons. And that your valence electrons, those are the electrons that are involved in forming chemical bonds. Okay, so a chemical bond in most cases is formed by the attractive forces between positive ions and negative ions. You know that saying, opposites attract. So here's a little diagram for you. The positive and negative ions are attracted to each other, and like charges will repel. Okay. So here are some important vocab terms. Okay. So our valence electrons, our group, chemical bond, which I just mentioned above in the background info. And then we have atoms, which is what chemistry is really all about. They're the smallest particle, and they make up everything. Then we have our electrons, which are our negatively charged particles, protons, which are positively charged particles, and then our octet rule. So, the great state of 8, noble gas configuration, octet like octagon. So each atom, each element, when they are making or breaking bonds, they want to be at that great state of 8. They want 8 valence electrons. So just keep that in the back of your mind. We're going to talk about that later in the year. Okay? So positive ions. Okay? So positive ions form when an atom loses an electron. Okay? It is called a cation. A negative ion forms when an atom gains an electron. That's called an anion. So I know I've already talked about these words with you a little bit, but this is just really getting down into the definitions of it. Okay? So just know that, just remember, it's kind of not natural to think about it this way, but if you're losing an electron, you're going to have a positive charge. And if you gain an electron, you're going to have a negative charge. So you just need to, think about it that way. You're going to watch this video and then take notes as you need to. And I'm just going to show you how you write charges. So you're going to write the symbol of your element. I don't want to do that. No. Stop it. My life, guys. Yes. Okay, that's stupid. Anyways, you're going to write the symbol of your element, and then you're going to use your periodic table to determine the charge. So again, going back to that coloring the periodic table video I made that some of you did in class, but some of you may have done outside of class, or you didn't do it at all. If you didn't do that yet, you should probably do that. It will make your life a lot easier. Just saying. So you're going to look at what group your element is in to figure out what charge it has. And then you're going to write the charge of your element as a superscript. Okay, so in this case right here, our X has a +1. or over here it has a -2. Okay, so that's just how we indicate charges of our elements, or our ions, I should say. And that's it for notes. So short and sweet. Pause this video when you need to. And yeah,